Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm at Hat Yai International Airport down south and is about to go check in for my Thai AirAsia flight back to Bangkok. Let's get going, shall we? AirAsia's check-in counters are located at the end of the departure hall, right next to the escalator, which leads to the airside. Unfortunately, queues were pretty long as there were many AirAsia flights departing at that time. I was genuinely surprised by how small and crowded the airside was. Nonetheless, there were some shops and plenty of seating available as I wait for boarding to be called. Soon enough, my aircraft arrived from Bangkok, and boarding is just about to start. Please be reminded that this was filmed back in December of 2020, before the spike in local COVID-19 cases and the inevitable lockdown. I really dislike how many of AOT's regional airports are laid out in such a way that passengers in the airside can't look at planes without squinting their eyes. But I'd be here all day if I keep complaining. The aircraft taking me back to Bangkok is HS-EAB, a one-year-old Airbus A321neo which was delivered to Thai AirAsia back in December 2019. I was fortunate enough to be able to fly this exact same aircraft in early 2020. This A321neo features the numerous Hawk Slimline seats and is the first in AirAsia's Thai branch. Anyways, let's have a look around my seat 24A. The legroom is pretty much adequate, but nothing special. Although not filmed, USB ports are available at every seat. The highlight of this flight was definitely the views outside my window. We took off at around 5:50 PM as the sun was starting to set. The last rays of sunlight is truly a magnificent sight from all the way up here. I'll be quiet and just let you enjoy the views for a bit. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's get back to the review. For this flight, I have pre-ordered some meals. However, I wasn't able to show them because I decided to take them home. This is purely due to the recent outbreak a few days prior. Nonetheless, I've still got to enjoy the Thai milk tea with boba. I'd say it was pretty good. Definitely a must try on your next Thai AirAsia flight. The sun soon disappeared from the horizon, and the outside became dark enough for my phone to not be able to capture it. I'm sorry about that, should have been more prepared. Shortly after, we started our descent towards Mueang International Airport, and that concludes the flight review. The flight itself was packed but uneventful, which I guess is probably best considering all that is happening nowadays. I'm personally not the biggest fan of these new mirrorless hog seats, but they do come with more modern amenities such as USB ports, which makes me prefer these a little more as opposed to AirAsia's older cabins. In terms of catering, I'd consider AirAsia's to be one of the better ones I've tried so far. The milk tea tasted good and were reasonably priced at less than 100 baht or $2.8 US. In conclusion, AirAsia is definitely one of the better budget-friendly options when traveling domestically, especially considering the state of their competitors such as the likes of Nok Air. Thank you so much for watching. If you've stuck around this far, special thanks to you. This channel means a ton to me, but so do all of you. I've been absent for far too long because a lot has happened over these past few years. For example, I moved to Switzerland to study hospitality, and that didn't work out, so I moved to Australia instead. Need not worry, I've got a few videos in backlog I'm dying to edit and post, so there will definitely be more videos to come in the coming months. Thanks for joining me on this journey. It's been fun experiencing my travels and whatnot with you all, and I look forward to doing more of these in the future. In the meantime, stay safe.